The approval of 5,000 non-teaching personnel by the Department of Budget and Management or DBM is still not enough for the entire country. According to elementary school principal Ana Lu Madrigal, this number is too small to meet the need for non-teaching personnel in schools across the country.
Sa tingin ko kulang pa po yun talaga kasi sa amin pa lang sa Division of Pasig, 48 schools po kami. Kung bibigyan kami, kukulangin po talaga.
Just like at Buting Elementary School, there is a lack of non-teaching personnel to take all the administrative tasks of teachers.
Sa halip na teaching positions yung binibigay sa amin ay mapalitan ito ng mga non-teaching positions kasi like sa school ko, kailangan ko talaga ng at least man lang 2 na non-teaching. Kasi sa ngayon, isa lang ang meron ako at talagang bombarded po siya. Ang dami po niyang ginagawa. Sobrang nakaka-apekto po talaga kasi si teacher kasi maliban sa pag-prepare niya ng lesson plan, kailangan niya pa kasi mag-isip. Dapat itong mga teacher natin nakapokus sa pag-isip ng mga assessment dun sa problem within his classroom.
On the other hand, Teacher Maria Menchi Moreno felt a great relief for the elimination or gradual reduction of administrative tasks in her job.
Gumaan sa aming side ng mga teachers kasi nababawasan na po yung mga task na hindi naman related sa teaching. And besides, nakakapag-focus na po talaga sa teaching.
According to them, adding non-teaching positions will help teachers so that they can better focus on their teaching workloads and to further improve the country's education system. The 5,000 non-teaching positions will be deployed in school division offices and schools throughout the country, in accordance with the campaign of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. to prioritize the welfare of teachers. Jed Neresina, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.